Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the zoom magnifier on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, we're going to tap on Settings on the home screen. Then go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Zoom. Then at the top here, tap on the zoom switch to turn it on or off. Now once it is switched on, you can use 3 fingers and then double tap on the screen to zoom in, or you can zoom out by simply double tap again with your 3 fingers. Now once it is zoomed in, you can use the 3 fingers to move around the screen like this. So just drag 3 fingers on the screen and then just move around and double tap to zoom out. Now once zoom is enabled, you can do other things such as using keyboard shortcut, zoom controller, and other things. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. So once it is turned on, you can use it anywhere on your screen to zoom in or zoom out. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.